Listen to the birds. New bird hanger there. Come on, birds, we'll be feeding ya.
Two old birds in the sun, gray and weary, neither moving to the pond. Far away, it's too hot out here today. Finally one lifts a wing, but the other says, too tired, I'll just sit where I am. It's too difficult to fly, I don't think I can. Come along, says the first, if you want to quench your thirst, you've got to move. Shift around, put your beacon to the ground. Bit by bit, closer still, it's just a matter of the will. Side by side, step by step, come ride the wind up to the water and get wet. If you can't fly, you can run. If you can't run, you can walk. If you can't walk, you can crawl. That's the beauty of it all. If you can't crawl, you can roll. Keep your eyes upon your goal. You have your place in the flock. If you can't roll, then you can rock. Two old fish, slow and cool, reminiscing in the pool about the times they got away and their friends who didn't. Pay attention, don't get hooked. Ride the center of the stream, go with the flow till you know you can swim right up the river to your dream. If you can't swim, you can row. If you can't row, you can glide. If you can't glide, you can ride. That's the beauty of the tide. If you can't ride, you can roll. Keep your eyes upon your goal. You have your place in the boat. If you can't roll, then you can float. Who said you couldn't do it? Who dug you in that hole? You'll only see your obstacles each time you take your eyes off of your goal. Sitting round, sometimes birds and sometimes fishes, sometimes running all aground in the gaggles of big wishes, belly flopping on the pond, stumbly wobbling on and on.